Experiencing charging problems with your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max in your Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. Many users have encountered issues with both wireless charging pads and USB-C ports. The good news is that recent software updates from both Tesla and Apple have resolved most of these problems. Tesla's updates improve the wireless pad's power output and detection. Apple's updates calibrate charging protocols for EV environments, addressing electromagnetic interference and power delivery issues. Let's dive into the solutions. The primary culprit for wireless charging issues was incompatibility between Tesla's charging pad and Apple's MagSafe technology. Tesla's V2025.2.1 update boosted the charging pad's output to 15 watts and improved alignment detection for the iPhone 17's Qi 2 standard. This update significantly reduced not charging errors, but ensure your phone is correctly aligned on the pad. Apple's iOS 18.3 update included enhanced MagSafe firmware specifically calibrated for EV environments. This addresses electromagnetic interference from the Tesla's electrical system, which sometimes prevents charging from initiating. The firmware optimizes battery management and detection for dynamic EV environments. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. While USB-C charging is generally more reliable for connecting your iPhone 17 or Pro Max to a Tesla Model Y, occasional glitches can still happen, particularly in high heat conditions inside the vehicle. To illustrate the charging process, here's how the battery percentage and voltage levels increase during USB-C charging, reaching optimal levels for your iPhone. Tesla's V2025.3 update addressed these issues by adding adaptive power delivery profiles, which optimize the charging process to ensure your iPhone 17 Pro Max can charge at up to 27 watts reliably. Here's a visual representation of the charging speeds you can achieve with proper USB-C setup, demonstrating the performance improvements from the update. If a glitch occurs, you might see warnings like this, especially in extreme temperatures. The update helps minimize such issues. Finally, to ensure the best results, use a high-quality, certified USB-C cable that supports the full power delivery specifications. If charging issues persist after updates, start by ensuring your iPhone 17 is unlocked and properly positioned on the Tesla wireless charging pad. The phone must be placed screen up on the pad for optimal MagSafe alignment. Next, double-check for the latest software updates. On your iPhone 17, navigate to Settings and look for iOS updates. In your Tesla Model Y, check the touchscreen for vehicle software updates to ensure compatibility. For wired charging, use only certified USB-C cables that support power delivery protocols. These ensure safe voltage levels up to 20 volts for efficient charging of your iPhone 17. Finally, inspect the Tesla USB-C port for physical damage or looseness. If it appears faulty, schedule service with Tesla to replace the port adapter, as this hardware issue can prevent proper charging. Real-world case studies demonstrate how these fixes work in practice. In one example, a Tesla Model Y owner struggled with wireless charging on their iPhone 17 Pro Max. After applying Tesla's June 2025 update, they wiped the iPhone's MagSafe cache through settings, which resolved the charging failure and even improved charge speed by 20%. In a second case study, a user experienced unreliable USB-C charging in their Tesla Model Y. Diagnostics revealed a defective vehicle USB-C port as the culprit. Replacing the adapter, a simple $50 part, completely solved the charging issues and restored normal power delivery. The future looks bright for EV and smartphone integration. As technology evolves, we're seeing promising trends that will make charging between devices like iPhones and Tesla vehicles much more seamless and reliable. One major development is the widespread adoption of the Qi 2 wireless charging standard. This standardized protocol is expected to eliminate most compatibility issues by 2027, creating a universal framework that works across different devices and manufacturers. Looking further ahead, there are exciting rumors about Apple and Tesla collaborating on proprietary MagSafe EV integrations. This partnership could bring advanced features like 25-watt wireless charging capabilities directly into Tesla vehicles. With real-time diagnostics available through mobile apps, users would get instant feedback on charging status, battery health, and any potential issues. This level of integration would make wireless charging in EVs as intuitive as plugging in at home. These advancements represent a convergence of EV and smartphone ecosystems, promising a future where charging is effortless and fully integrated into our daily lives. Experts emphasize the importance of keeping both your Tesla Model Y and iPhone 17 updated with the latest software. These updates provide crucial firmware optimizations that resolve charging incompatibilities through improved power negotiation and electromagnetic interference reduction. However, hardware problems like dirty wireless charging coils or damaged USB-C ports can appear as software issues. Experts recommend regular inspections and cleaning of charging components. Always use certified cables and connectors to ensure reliable power delivery. Experts strongly recommend using only certified accessories from Tesla and Apple. While third-party charging cables or adapters might seem cheaper, they often lack the proper power delivery protocols and can lead to inconsistent charging or even hardware damage over time. In conclusion, with regular software updates and proper hardware maintenance, you can enjoy reliable and seamless charging between your iPhone 17 and Tesla Model Y. This successful integration highlights how modern technology is bridging the gap between smartphones and electric vehicles for a better user experience.